Want to know how to see how much gold or crystals you obtained in Paladins? So if you want to see how much gold or crystals that you currently have in Paladins, this video is for you. So I'm going to provide you a easy step-by-step guide on how you can view it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So right below activities, at last you should be seeing profile, so you can just simply select it. So once you have selected profile, here you should be seeing levels for your profile right here. Sometimes right beside your username you should be seeing the amount of gold and crystal that you have. If you don't see them, you can just go back, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing these two icons right here with numbers in it. So this golden one is the gold, and this crystal icon is crystal, as we can expect. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.